so I'm just gonna hop right into it, and I'm just going to, oh yikes, look at them edges. But anyways, I'm just about to pin my hair up, and y'all probably like, girl, you just did your hair. I know, but I've been having this wig sitting inside my closet for like the longest, since like my birthday, which was in May. So I just decided to, like, bring it out. So I'm just crossing the back of 2 sections and then pinning it up on the sides. And then I'm going to throw my wig cap on, and yeah. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed to my channel, like, what's going on? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, give me a big thumbs up because your girl is about to slay this wig from Amazon Prime, okay? Period. So I'm gonna put on a wig grip, but you really don't need it. So that's kind of like optional if you want to put that on. I just put that on. Honestly, I really don't know why I put it on. But yeah, I'm gonna just put my wig grip on and make it do what it do. Okay, cause period, sis. So y'all, I'm about to show y'all the box. This is the little box that it comes in. I'm not gonna show y'all the top because my son destroyed it. Like I said, I had this wig since May. When you get the wig, it comes in a plastic Ziploc bag, and it also has a little hairnet on it. This is what the wig looks like, and I'm just gonna brush it out and then cut the lace off camera. So this is a 100% human hair wig, and it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustment strap like any other ordinary wig. And I think this is either 12 or 14 inches. Not really sure. All that information will be down in the description box. But as you guys can see, the bangs are super long. But that's okay, we're going to cut them down a bit, but first we need to make sure that this hair is flat, honey, okay? I'm going to spritz a little bit of water at the top so it can be nice and flat, run my comb through it one more time, and then I'm going to use my flyaway tamer to, get rid of all the flyaways, and then run my hot comb against that section so it can be nice and flat. Just going to section off my hair into like 2 sections just to flat iron the hair. So at first I started off by flat ironing the hair like straight, and then like as I kept looking at it, I was like, I don't like this. So y'all gonna see me change it a little bit later on in the video. So a little bit about the hair that I noticed. I didn't notice any shedding. When I first opened the package, I didn't smell anything weird. Like the hair didn't have any weird smells. So I tried to curl the bangs to see if it would make it a little bit shorter, but as you can see, yeah, no, that didn't work. It still passed my eyes. So I'm just going to trim these bangs a little bit. Y'all, I am not a professional. I tried my best with cutting these bangs and I did it successfully. But yeah, if you decide to cut your bangs, definitely be careful and have someone help you if they can. So after cutting the bangs, they are still a little bit long, but that's okay because I can still work with those, as long as they're not like over my eyes to the point where like I can't see. So I ended up curling them again, and they are above my eyes, and I like this look. It is super cute, and yeah, I could work with that. So I'm gonna bump my ends because like I said, I didn't like that straight look, and after I curled them, like they just look so much better. Y'all remember when y'all was younger, like when y'all had perms or whatever, and every time y'all got y'all hair done, your mom always wanted to bump them ends. Comment down below if you was the same way, because I know every time I got my hair done, I was like, no, don't curl my ends. I want my hair to be straight because I want people to see the length, honey. So I'm gonna play around and adjust the hair until I get it to how I like it. But yeah guys, I love this wig. It is super cute, super lightweight, perfect for the summer. If you like this wig, give me a big thumbs up. If you like how I styled it, give me a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a big thumbs up. So while I finish up the last few touches on this wig, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Like, smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below what you think of this wig. If you're thinking about trying it out, purchasing it, let me know in the comments down below. Also, your girl is looking good in this wig, and the wig needs a name. I need a name whenever I'm wearing this wig, so also comment down below some potential names for this wig or for me whenever your girl is rocking it. So let's chat in the comments down below. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.